How to create a Fifth Third bank account. First of all, go to the official Fifth Third bank website by typing 53.com in your browser. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner of the home page. You will see a login button. Click on it. At the bottom of the login form, you will find an option that says First Time User Register. Click on Register. Next, the site will ask you to confirm whether you already have an account with Fifth Third Bank, such as Momentum Checking, Express Checking, Savings, a debit card, credit card, or a home equity line of credit. You will see Yes and No option. Select Yes to continue. To register for online banking, you will need to enter your Fifth Third debit card number, ATM card number, or credit card number as your user ID. For your initial password, enter either your ATM PIN or the temporary PIN provided by the bank. Once both fields are filled in, click on Login. If you don't have any of those, click No on the previous step. Then, the site will ask you if you have a Fifth Third auto loan, installment loan, or mortgage loan. Here I am choosing Yes and selecting installment loan. Next, enter your loan account number. After that, enter your social security number. Once you have filled in that information, check the box that says I have all my loan documents with me. Then, click on Account Verification. You will be redirected to a new page where you will need to verify your account by entering additional personal information. Once everything is completely corrected, your account will be created. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Fifth Third bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.